Okay, we're going to look at how to make a picot. So you're going to just do your cross stitches, braiding until you get to where the space between the second and third bobbins is kind of in line with where the uh, dot for the picot is out on the other side of the trail. I'm gonna try one thing. I think I was in the right place to begin with. That was correct. Undo. And I need to move this just a little bit so it's more convenient for me to see and move and maneuver. So with the outside, the thread that's on the outside of the pattern or on the right side, because the picot's on the right side, so you have to do the right side of the four. You're going to go under. You're going to go under and around onto the top, and then put your pin in. So you've got your pin.
Mm-hmm.
And the thread is coming around at a counterclockwise path. Then you're going to do a twist so that the thread that made the picot is in the third position. Then you just start your braid, your plaiting,
Mm-hmm.
and you do it again until you get to the next spot. Kind of see that yeah, close enough.
When you get to the spot where you're prepared to do the picot,
Mhm.
excuse me, are you stopping after a cross or stopping after a twist?
After a twist.
Okay.
No, thank you. That was a great question. So we're going to go under. Sorry, let me move so I'm more in the camera. Under, over, put the pin in. You're going to twist left over right. Then you're going to cross, twist, and braid out, tensioning it as close to the pin as you can.
Mm-hmm.
Let me turn this a little bit more. I already have it. This is a real small pathway. And one more time, you're going to come underneath, come around, put your pin in. You're going to twist, then cross, twist, cross, twist. Make sure you're up and against that pin nice and tight. And you just continue on with your pattern.